Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change your Netflix profile on your mobile device. Now let's begin. Do make sure that you already have the Netflix application installed in your device. As you can see, Netflix has been installed. Let's open it. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now, we want to change our profile picture, so here's what we can do about it. At the bottom right of the screen, you will find your profile icon right here. Simply click on it. Now something like this will open up. Now here's your profile name right here. Simply click on it. Now something like this will pop up just here. At the very bottom, you will see something like Manage Profiles. Just click on it. Right here is my profile. I just want to click on my profile. That's the pencil icon. Now in this edit profile page, you can edit your profile name as well. Change many things. At the very end, you will see the delete profile button as well, but right now we simply want to change our profile icon. At the very top, here is the profile icon right here, and just below it is something like a pencil icon. Just click on it. Now the profile icon page will open up. You can scroll down and select from any one among these icons. Let's say I'm gonna select this one. Just click on it. And there you have it, guys. Your profile icon has been changed. Now let's go back and look at it once again. And right here you can see the profile icon has been changed. Let's verify it once again. Right here you can see the profile icon has been changed. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you change your Netflix profile picture on your mobile device. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.